Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change notifications method in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Here in the status bar, you are seeing some notifications, but only notifications icons are showing there. So, notification method used here by default is by icons. If you would like to change notification method, yes, you can do it. What to do, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications and status bar, and here just click on status bar, and here you will find notification method and click on it. By default it is set to icons, so that particular icons are showing here. Okay, for example, here message icon, YouTube icon are showing because they have been receiving the notifications. Okay, if you would like to select other method like number, and yes, just click on number, so that you will see only how many notifications you have received. Okay, only 5 notifications received, but which app gets notification and which don't, you don't know. Okay, so if you would like to select number, only total number of notifications will be showing in the status bar. If you would like to show no notifications at all, just choose third one, none, so that you will not get any notifications alert on status bar, but you should have received notifications from the particular app. You can only swipe like this to see how many notifications you have received. Okay, so in this way you can easily change notifications method. Okay, suppose if you would like to get to the original default notification method, that is icons, just to pick up icons, first one, and then yes, now only icons are showing. So in this way you can easily modify. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.